All right, guys, another quick video for you. So I know a lot of guys have struggle quoting things. So I'm gonna show you guys how to quote or something you can use to quote flat surfaces, so you don't have to overwhelm yourself. We're gonna simplify the process. I know a lot of guys eyeball prices. I did the same thing, but when you want to actually get a system for quoting, here's what you can do. So once we have a flat surface, then we have this right here. Simple tool we can use to measure flat surfaces. So this thing right here measures. We're gonna calculate the square feet of this. All you do with this tool is literally gonna start at one end, roll it. It's gonna keep measuring for you. So we're gonna go from this end of the driveway to there. Now I've already measured it, so I already know this is gonna be 40 feet in length, 20 feet in width. So I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but we would go length times width, multiply that, and then we would, so for this we get 800 square feet. Then we'll take that and multiply it by what we charge per square foot. So if we're charging 20 cents a square foot, that gets us to $160 for this concrete. So that's a simple way, guys. You can start quoting flat surfaces. You don't have to overwhelm yourself or overthink it or eyeball and wonder where's the price going to be. Obviously, from there, you're going to add in, once you get just your base price, if it has oil stains or additional process, it's going to involve more chemical or more cost, then you would add that into your quote as well. Anyway, guys, hope this video helps. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.